Are you having problems with your ChatGPT scroll not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I actually exited my ChatGPT app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, or a similar page basically. Now you're just going to scroll down in here until you can see where it says general, so click on general. And as you can see, it should now take us to this page. Scroll down in here and click on storage. And in here, you're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load all the apps in here. And when it's done, just scroll down in here until you can see where it says show all. So just click on show all. And then we're going to keep scrolling down until we can find the ChatGPT app in here. It should be somewhere in here actually. Let's see if we can find it. Actually, what we can do instead, if we don't find it, we can scroll all the way back up in here if you cannot find it, and then just click on the search bar in the top instead. So click on the search bar, search for ChatGPT in here, and click on the ChatGPT app. Click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Click on the blue button here once again, and just wait for your ChatGPT app to completely update to the absolute latest version. So I did this myself. I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.